Hello. You're going to see Mr. Pickles again in a minute. Hello, Mr. Pickles. Right, off you go. So, before you get into the weather video, I should just point one thing out. I recorded that video before the earthquake that happened in Myanmar, then the effects were felt in Bangkok. Now, Sean and Lisa were in Bangkok at the time. I did ask them to get some footage of the earthquake, but they were too busy evacuating the hotel, which I can fully understand. So, I don't actually mention the earthquake in the entire video that I did, but I just want to point out that I did record it after the earthquake. I wasn't just kind of slipping over the fact that there was an earthquake. Now, there has been an earthquake, but nothing in Phuket, by the way. Absolutely nothing whatsoever has happened in Phuket, which is a good thing. Obviously, the earthquake's a bad thing, but Phuket not having anything, no effects whatsoever, is a good thing. And Sean and Lisa are okay, which is good. Right, on with the video. You're going to go and see Mr. Pickles and me again. Thanks. Look, Mr. Pickles is here to do the weather. Hello, Mr. Pickles. It's a bit hot for you out here, isn't it? Anyway, Mr. Pickles, going to do the weather? No, I better let you go. Right, off you go. Hello, Jay here. Sean's not here because he's in Bangkok doing one night in Bangkok, whatever he does in Bangkok. Anyway, back to do your weekly weather forecast. That's right, for the last week of March. And look how green my garden is. Now, there has been a few drops of sunshine falling from the sky over last week, but only in the evening and only quick downpours. Look, my garden looks amazing right now. I can show you. Oh, look, there's some limes. I'll show you those limes in a minute. So the limes, they're actually lemons. They're Thai lemons. They don't go yellow, they stay green, which is interesting, but they are lemons. Strange, eh? Anyway, if you want to see what the weather's doing for this week, okay, well, I'll show you the limes first, and then, Jay, what's the weather doing? I should have done that after I've shown the limes. Okay, here are the limes. Right, Farmer Shark here. Look, this is my Thai lemon. I keep saying limes, but they're not. They're actually lemons. Look at it. It's lovely, that is. It's nice and feel. Oh my God. There's a dog attacking me. Anyway, and over here, I think there's some little ones somewhere. And, oh, look at this. Little tiny one here. He's cute, that one. There's a few in there. Good for you, gin and tonic. Anyway, let's go see what the weather's doing. Mischief, take us to the weather. Okay. Thanks, Jay. Jay here. Yeah, as I just said, Sean's in Bangkok at the moment. I'm not sure why he's on Bangkok, to be fair. Maybe he's just having one night in Bangkok. One night in Bangkok and my heart's still fucking. Don't know the words of that song. I should do that song. It's a good song. Right, anyway, here it is, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, your weekly weather update with me, Jay the Shark, live. I'm not live, I'm recording this. But anyway, doesn't matter, I'm at my house. This is Windy app, and this is what we use to dictate the wind, because the wind tells us if there's going to be some rain coming in. It's going to tell us what the conditions are on the water, so if it's a little bit bumpy or not. Now, blue is good. Yellow and green, not so good. Purple, amazing. There you go, I put that in a strange old order, haven't I? But anyway, let's have a look at it. So this is Sunday morning, and Sunday morning looks very, very nice, not too bad. The wind is coming from the east, which means it's coming from over Krabi towards us. Now there's Phi Phi down here, Phang Nga Bay up here, Similan Islands are over here, and this, obviously right here, is Phuket. And as you can see, on Sunday morning, it looks quite nice. It does look a wee bit windy. It looks like it's going to build up. Now, imagine in the afternoon, it's going to get windier. Oh, it kind of is a bit weird at the moment. Well, that's a bit strange. I should have checked this before I did this, shouldn't I, really? But it looks really nice. Purple here, but then there's some green, and it's kind of swelling around over here, and the wind's changed direction. Now, I think I know why. I think later on in the week, it's going to get a little bit windier, and there might be some rain coming in, but shh. Don't tell anybody. But that's Sunday afternoon. It doesn't look too bad, to be fair. Oh, look, Sunday afternoon looks lovely now in PP. Very nice. But let's look at Monday the 31st, so the last day of March. A little bit windy down in PP, so it might be a bit bumpy in the morning, but nothing major. Nothing to be scared about, that's for sure. Monday afternoon into Monday afternoon. Here we go. So, yeah, kind of similar. A little bit greeny. The wind's kind of swelling round at the moment. I'm not really sure what's going on. Now, we are moving into April, which is a really hot month, but it's also April and May when the seasons start to change. So we are starting to get into our monsoon, into our wet season, rainy season. So the winds can be a little bit kind of all over the shop. going through a little bit of a tough time, the winds at the moment, especially this time of year. Let's look at Tuesday, the 1st of April. Woohoo! April Fool's Day. In fact, that reminds me, I need to take Mischief to the vets on April Fool's Day because she had a false pregnancy, apparently. That's right, dogs have false pregnancies. I don't really know what that means. But anyway, we're going to get her checked out because, false pregnancy. She's not pregnant. And if I find out, if any dog does try to kiss my dog, you'll be in trouble. Urgh. Anyway, Tuesday, April 1st, looks lovely in the morning. In the afternoon, still looks pretty lovely. A little bit of wind here, but nothing to really to be worried about. Wednesday the 2nd of April. Wowzers! Wednesday, the 2nd of April looks gorgeous in the morning. In the afternoon, yeah, still lovely. Still good Wednesday. Right, let's look at Thursday, the 3rd. Starting to build up the wind now, and I think we might see a little bit of more of a change of the weather coming in for the end of the week. Let's hope not, because I know on the 2nd and the 3rd, so that's Wednesday and Thursday, I'm out on something I can't talk about because I've signed for the NBA. Swish. So let's hope it's not too windy. But anyway, we're not filming in somewhere up here, so I can't talk about it, but it is quite protected in Phang Nga Bay, which is always quite nice. Anyway, Thursday afternoon, let's have a look. Still not too bad. Very strange. I thought it'd be worse than this. Friday. Oh, here comes the wind. Do you remember that? Rebecca, what was her name? Rebecca Black, was it? It's Friday. Auto-tune lady. That was years ago, wasn't it? Showing my age there. Anyway, Friday morning looks a bit windy, but nothing too bad. Friday afternoon, Friday afternoon clears up. Strange wind pattern this week. I'm not sure what's going on. This is where we need Sean here, really, to tell us what's happening. Anyway, Saturday the 5th. A little bit windy in the morning down to Phi Phi, so it might be a bit bumpy going down to Phi Phi. But Saturday afternoon on the 5th looks lovely. Lots of purple. Purple's good. And then Sunday, next week, the 6th of April. A little bit windy in the morning, but nothing too bad. And then in the afternoon looks good. Very strange a pattern. Normally, it does get like that because what happens this time of year, it's really, really hot and it's get really, really humid. So they get what we call a lot of sea breeze coming in the afternoon because the land heats up. We get into pressure systems and stuff like that. Those sailors will like that. I start talking about pressure systems and we talk about heat coming up off the land and blowing into the sea, which reduces the wind. Aha! Geeky time! Anyway, there you go. Looks pretty nice. I am surprised though. I thought it'd be worse than that, but it looks quite good. Oh, look, Wednesday looks really good, which is nice. And Thursday, not too bad. Right, so anyway, that's windy. It tells about the wind, which probably not interested in that much. You should be, because it's fun. Haha. Right, this is AQ weather. So this is your bog standard weather forecast. As you can see, Sunday, which is today, is the 35th. 35th.
Can you read, my son?
Well, that depends.
It's 35 degrees with a 25% chance of rain. Now, I say this each and every week, just because it says there's a 25% Let's get my words out. Just because it says there's a 25% chance of rain, that doesn't mean it's going to rain for a quarter of the whole day in the whole of the island of Phuket. No, it doesn't. It means there might be a 25% chance or a quarter chance that it might rain somewhere in Phuket on that day. So you never know. It has been a little bit rainy in the evenings, which isn't too bad. Because as you can see from the intro, how green my garden is at the moment. And you probably saw the lovely limes, or lemons. They're Thai lemons, so they're green, which is a bit weird. They won't turn yellow, I don't think. Anyway, 33 for Monday looks nice. 41, shush, Mischief, I'm doing the weather. 33% chance, 33%.
You could do so, you do.
I'll get my words out in a minute. 33, 31, 32, so it cools off at the end of the week. On Friday, 32. But there is some rain forecast for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And let's look at the percentages. There's a 60% chance, 70% chance. So there may be a little bit of rain, but that'll probably come in the evenings as it has been doing lately. Can I say the sunsets? Here's a picture from a sunset I took when my daughter was horse riding the other day. Look how gorgeous it is. The purples and oranges. Very nice. So the sunsets are gorgeous at the moment. I shouldn't worry too much about this rain. We do get a lot of people sending us a kind of screenshot of this saying, oh, it looks like it's going to be terrible weather in Phuket next week and that's when I come. What should I do? It's like, well, you're going to cancel your holiday because of a bit of rain. No, you're not. So much to do in the rain and it's not going to rain all day. It's the tropics. Might be a bit of rain in the evening and it's good for you. Anyway, this one's an interesting one because it's absolutely pointless to do on our weekly weather video, but I have to do it because Sean says, Jay, make sure you do the TMD Weather Phuket radar. It's very important. I use it every day. That's fine, Sean, use it every day, because this is right now happening. And you can see there is some rain here in the green, but that's going to be going that way. There's a few spots coming over Krabi, but that'll be gone by the time it comes over there. But this is a live one, so it means absolutely nothing now, and it's really small, so you can't see it. So there you go. That's your weekly weather. It is a change of season, so I think in the next month or so, we might get a little bit more rain coming in, but we will inform you about that. But next week does look pretty nice. I'm out on the water for 2 days. Very early starts as well, which is nice. Anyway, I'll tell you about that next week. Right now, if you want to go and buy one of these from our website, you can. That's right. It's a thermos flask. It keeps hot things hot and cold things cold. How does it do it? I don't know. Anyway, just go to our website and you can get one of those. Or the shirt, which I'm not sure is in the shot, and the hats. I can't wear the hats now because Mischief's eaten both my hats, and Sean now has charged me for them, and I refuse to pay. Anyway, there you go. That is your weekly weather forecast from me, Jay the Shark, here at my house. I'll go to the office one day, I'm sure I will. If you've got any questions, please comment below. Please like and subscribe and share the love. Share the video. Share our weekly weather videos. And remember, John Ketley was a weatherman, and so was Michael Fish.